Hey guys, it's Mrs. Farpoint Farms here, doing a quick little review of this Boblov W2 mini camera. We picked this up because it kind of looked like a really cool camera to have that we kind of wear. It uses like a body cam, maybe a nanny cam. One of the features that it did have, cause one of the reasons why we bought it, is because it said it had night vision, and we just thought that was pretty cool. So we go ahead and get it opened up so you can see everything that comes with it. So you got a nice little cradle here so you can kind of stand it up, especially if you're going to use it as like a nanny cam. You've got the camera itself. It's got that nice clip on the front of it. You get yourself a little charging cable. And then you've got your owner's manuals right here. Here you see it is all unpacked for you. You got this nice little clip, as you can see on the side here, to go ahead and hold it on you. You've got your camera here, and this is 1080, so you're going to go ahead and get a nice clear shot of it. On this side right here, you do have the option to do either audio or video, depending on how you want to go ahead and switch it. And this part right here is you can actually take a still frame, so if you want to take a picture of something and save it that way, it's pretty cool. This side is going to be obviously your power button, and right here is going to be where you plug in your USB so you can go ahead and charge it. And down here is going to be where the little SD card goes. The one that we got actually did come with it. There are some variations that do not, but this one did come with it, which was pretty nice. Kind of saved a little bit of money there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on and walk outside and kind of see how well the picture is. It does have night shot mode as well, so I'm also going to go ahead and do it kind of near dusk when the light is very, very low. Then probably again at full dark, just to kind of see how well that night vision works. The battery on here says for a full charge it will run up to about 150 minutes, which is going to be about a little over 2 hours or so, 2.5 hours of runtime, which is pretty impressive for this little itty bitty battery. So let me go ahead and get it plugged in, get it hooked on me, and we'll see how well it looks. I'm hoping you guys can pick up how a beautiful clear day that it is here. Again, very, very late winter, early spring, not a cloud in the sky, which is just not normal for here. Here's our greenhouse that we built back in the fall. Here in a couple weeks it'll be full of plants getting ready for spring season. And I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of still shots with it just to see how well the camera works. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but there's a couple honeybees feeding on some of those flowers of this nice maple tree. The girl's just snacking on a little bit of bird seed. I'd like to be able to let them out, but last time I did, we had a very, very naughty red-tailed hawk try to come in and grab some of them. So if they ever get let out, it'll be under adult supervision to make sure that they don't get snatched up and taken away. By to say hello. I think it's taking a little bit of rest. As you can see, it's got a bunch of pollen down its legs. The sun has already set over that little ridge line. Just a little bit of light left here, not a whole lot.